Little Chef Contestant number 23, Tashi Nasif, Grade 6, Oxford School, Calicut.
I'm Tashin of grade 6. I'm studying in Oxford School. So today we are gonna make one satisfying dessert, and it's nothing but a sizzling brownie. So let's get started with the ingredients. These are fresh cream, vanilla, compound chocolate or real chocolate, cocoa powder, dark chocolate, powdered sugar, flour, 2 eggs, melted butter and normal butter, then some salt. Sizzling brownie, let's prepare the brownies first. So for the brownie, add 3/4 cup of melted butter, then add 1/4 cup of powdered sugar, 2 eggs. Now mix it well. Now let's add 2 teaspoons of vanilla. Let's add 3/4 cup of flour and add 1/4 cup of cocoa powder. A little bit of salt. Take 200 grams of dark chocolate and melted half and sieved half. So I'm adding the melted chocolate into this. Mix it very well, okay? Now I'm adding the dark chocolate which I saved. Mix it very well. Batter into this. Before adding this batter, place a butter paper and put some butter into that. So now let's add it. Now I'm gonna bake this for 180 degrees for 20 to 30 minutes. Now let's heat up a kadai or a pan. So add some butter into this. Okay. Now add 120 grams of component chocolate or normal chocolate. Add some fresh cream. I'm already adding half of the fresh cream packets. Mix it in a very low flame. Now the cake is ready. Now I'm heating up a pan. So if you have a sizzling plate, you can heat up the sizzling plate. As I don't have the sizzling plate, I'm heating up a pan. Now here's a fried pan. We are gonna put some brown pieces into that, and after that we'll place our brownie in top of that. Okay, and now let's put the ice cream. Okay. Now let's pour our chocolate ganache. So if you like this video, don't forget to like and share. Bye bye. See you next time.
If you like this video, then do like, share and subscribe and click the bell icon. Till the next video, thank you.
ഏറ്റവും കൂടുതൽ വ്യൂസ് ലഭിക്കുന്ന 3 പാചക വീഡിയോകൾക്കാണ് സമ്മാനം. ഈ പ്രോഗ്രാമിൻ്റെ അവസാന തീയതി 2020 സെപ്റ്റംബർ 19-നാണ്. വിജയികളെ 2020 സെപ്റ്റംബർ 26-ന് പ്രഖ്യാപിക്കുന്നതാണ്.